Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, IT Man. Today I'm going to show you what's the difference between save and save as in Microsoft Word. Please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to never miss the update. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Let's go. So what's the difference between save and save as in Microsoft Word, and how I can use these options? First of all, you should go through File, and after that you should know there are save and save as here. So what's the difference between these? Save as set the location for my document. And when you set the location for your document, you should use save for editing. For example, I click on save as, and with this option, I can set my document location into the desktop or document, no different. Click on that, and after that, you should put name, test2 for example, and then click on save. And as you can see, the name of this document changed to test2. And now how I can use save. For example, I edit this document and change the color or something like that. Every minute you should click on this icon. This is save icon, and you can save your editing in your Microsoft Word each minute, I don't know, every 2 minutes, you can use that. And you don't need to set the location for your document, because with the save as, you set the location for your document. With the save, you can save the editing and changing your document. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to never miss the update. Thank you very much.